Let me teach you how to create crispy beef tacos for weight loss. This recipe was highly requested. They're so clean, yet they're packed in flavor. Golden shells, and I promise you, they are so much easier than they look. Forget boring. We're doing something exciting today. And the beef, properly seasoned with cumin, chili powder, smoked paprika, garlic, all of it. Now for the spices. Cumin, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. 1 teaspoon of cumin. It's what makes beef taste like taco beef. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. It helps so much, it means the world to me. Medium-high heat. We want that pan properly hot before anything goes in. One lime halved. Squeeze it properly. You want every drop. Next, sharp cheddar. Not pre-grated, grate it yourself. Pre-grated cheese has anti-caking powder on it that stops it melting properly. Bring an iceberg lettuce. Just tear it by hand into thin strips. All toppings prepped. The ingredients in video description below. Hold it right over the flame with tongs, not your fingers. It gets hot fast. About 10 to 15 seconds each side. Those little dark spots and bubbles, that's what you want. Hi! If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more cozy homemade recipe just like this. The shredded lettuce goes in, placing it gently over the beef. Next is diced Roma tomatoes, just a good spoonful. Helps balance the richness of the beef. And cheese. The heat from the beef is already starting to soften that cheese. And yes, that much cheese. I love cheese. 3 jalapeno rings, placed across the top of the loaded taco. Squeeze fresh lime juice over the top. This is the step most people skip, and they absolutely shouldn't. And little hot sauce. Just a little. We want flavor, not fire. Add fresh cilantro right on top. Shout out to Chris from Canada. I give shout out to my subscriber in every of my content. Comment shout out with your name if you want a shout out in my next post. 1 taco done. Second and third. Same process, same order. Beef, lettuce, tomato, cheese, jalapeno, lime, hot sauce, cilantro. Practice makes perfection. I'm making more beef tacos for my children, but won't show my children for personal reasons. Save this recipe. I post content like this every day, so make sure to subscribe as well.